Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you this week? Well, this week it's all about lights and shadows. When you're trying to make that light element of your painting really sing, sometimes it's not about trying to make it brighter or whiter. Sometimes the answer is in the shadows. Making a shadow darker can actually make your highlights seem a lot lighter than they actually are. I'm going to use this as an example. Let me show you what I mean. Come on. So in this picture, what I'm doing is I'm trying to make the nose lighter, and I'm using my eraser to do this, but it's really not singing and the tones aren't looking quite right. So here I'm adding a black pan pastel to the background. And what this does is it's really making those highlights sing because of the contrast. That's something we talk about a lot in the Academy and when I'm doing free workshops. So do remember to subscribe to find out more, but you can really see the difference that dark is making to those lights. In fact, it's lightening up the whole picture. So I'm just going to show them both side by side, both the start of this and where we are currently with that darkening background. Then you can really see the tonal difference. The one on the left looks a lot darker than the one on the right, even though we're darkening the darks, not lightening the lights. And I use the same process in his beard here. So remember, if you want sharper highlights, darken those darks. See you next week for the next art hack.